Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to build a website on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So in order to create or build a website with Shopify, first of all you need to create an account on Shopify. So open shopify.com. And now enter here your email address and click on 14-day free trial, and now give here your Shopify login password, and this is the store name. To change the store name, click on edit, and from here you can easily change or edit the store name. If it's available, click on create a store, and now select these three options. Click on next and fill up this address book and click on enter my store. So finally here you can see I've successfully created a Shopify account, and now go to online store. Now I'm going to add or install a theme to my Shopify website or store. So basically we can install the default theme by clicking here, or you can visit theme store. You can see free theme store by clicking here. You can see their paid theme store by clicking here, but right now I'm going to installing the default theme. So the theme has been successfully installed, and to see or preview the website, click on preview your store. So as you can see, I have successfully created a Shopify website. When you start a 14-day free trial on Shopify, after creating your store, you can upgrade the plan by clicking on here. So you can select this basic plan, and it starts from $29 per month, and select a plan from this list and go to home. And if you have a domain, then go to domain section, and you can add your domain by clicking here, and you can add product to your Shopify store or website by clicking here. Also you can customize the website or theme by clicking here. So this was the way we can build a website on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.